Easter, it's all about the Easter egg hunt, because really, what else is there on Easter? Follow me, I'll show you where I hide these little eggs. You can get these at New World. So you want to make some eggs really obvious. I mean, I've got an 18-month-old and he's not going to get anything too tricky. So putting it in places like the hedge like that, I reckon is awesome. And put a few to fool the older kids so they think it's all done and dusted when they find one. For the older kids, you want to put things up a little bit higher, wedge things in as small as you can, like, oh, that is perfect. If you're anything like my house, there's toys everywhere, so utilise them in the backyard. I'll put a couple of eggs in that part of the digger. Look for the tricky places. See, it just sits perfectly, like that. Now, the absolute best tip I can give is to keep repurposing these puppies. So keep the hunts going all day if you have to, and just get the oldest child to hide them for the littlies, and then you don't even have to be part of it. How good is this spot, by the way? Nailed it.